Hey guys, I already unboxed it, but here's the package. I got it earlier than expected, which is pretty good. He's just getting used to it. Now he's all tapping on it. It's a quick repair. And there's breathing right here. You can open it here. There's also breathing in here. Breathing in here. Breathing in here. With the two holes on both sides. And inside there's a perch that it came with. And a tray for him to do his thing. So yeah, I rate this 5 out of 5. It's pretty cool. I'll be traveling with him a lot. And yeah, thank you for watching.
It's amazing that you two have survived out here all by yourselves. Well, now,
Frank, what are you doing? Hey! I'm not going to take your backpack, okay?
We may be all resilient.
Meanie.
Margarita is in his backpack for fun.